This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Orland Park, Illinois. 1. Centennial Park's Lakeside Escape. Start your Orland Park adventure at Centennial Park, the crown jewel of the city's outdoor spaces and a sprawling oasis of recreation. Located near the 153rd Street Metro Station, this magnificent park is truly unique for its sheer scale and the incredible diversity of activities it offers. You will find miles of scenic paved paths, perfect for walking, jogging, or biking, winding through beautifully maintained green spaces. Spend the afternoon fishing or paddle boating on Lake Sedgwick, a serene lake within the park that offers a peaceful retreat. Kids will delight in the expansive modern playgrounds. The park is also home to the Orland Park Health and Fitness Center and a popular sledging hill in the winter. This park is the vibrant heart of Orland Park's outdoor life, a place where community events often come alive, from summer concerts to lively festivals. Whether you are seeking an active workout, a fun family day out, or a tranquil escape into nature, Centennial Park provides the perfect backdrop. 2. Splash at the Aquatic Center. Next, beat the heat at the Centennial Park Aquatic Center, a true jewel in Orland Park's recreational crown. This is not just a pool, it's a resort-style aquatic playground that delivers big park thrills. You can plunge down thrilling water slides, float along the lazy river, or let the kids splash around in the dedicated splash pad. It's the perfect place to cool off during the scorching Illinois summers. With its lush green surroundings and state-of-the-art facilities, the Aquatic Center is a beloved landmark among locals and visitors alike. Plan a visit on a hot day to experience a refreshing escape that will delight the whole family. 3. Shop at Orland Square Mall. Indulge in some retail therapy at Orland Square Mall, the dominant shopping center of the Chicago Southland and an upscale shopping destination. This impressive indoor mall, which opened in 1976, boasts over 130 stores and 4 major department stores. You can browse everything from high-end fashion at Apple, Akira, and Armani Exchange to popular brands like Lego and Sephora. The mall features a brand new food court, a children's play area, and a variety of specialty shops ranging from jewelry to sporting goods. When you need a break from shopping, you can enjoy a meal at popular spots like the Cheesecake Factory, Texas de Brazil, or Dave & Buster's. Its vibrant atmosphere and bustling energy make it a go-to destination for shopping, dining, and entertainment. 4. Find family fun at Gizmos. For a day of indoor family entertainment, head to Gizmo's Fun Factory, the best choice for a pleasant day trip. This indoor amusement park is geared toward families and offers a flurry of excitement. With over 70 arcade games, you will find endless entertainment. Thrill seekers can conquer a 3-story climbing and ropes course, a zip line, bumper cars, a go-kart track, and a laser labyrinth. The fun continues with climbing walls and laser tag. Their restaurant offers hearty snacks and meals in American-style dining that will give you the energy you need to continue exploring. For an event the whole family will never forget, spend a day at Gizmo's Fun Factory. 5. Hike the Orland Grassland. Escape the urban hustle at the Orland Grassland, a prairie restoration site that provides a peaceful retreat. This 960-acre nature preserve offers extensive walking trails where you can experience Illinois' natural beauty. As you hike through the tall grass prairie, you will be surrounded by a wide variety of plants and animals. It's a fantastic spot for birdwatching, nature photography, and simply enjoying the tranquility of the outdoors. The grassland is home to diverse ecosystems, from prairies and wetlands to woodlands and savannas. If you enjoy hiking and nature walks, Be sure to add this destination to your itinerary. It's a perfect place to reconnect with nature just minutes from the city. 6. Discover the Aviation Museum. Aviation enthusiasts and history buffs will find a haven at the Illinois Aviation Museum at Clough International Airport. This museum houses an impressive collection of vintage aircraft, including meticulously restored planes, that showcase the evolution of aviation technology. Visitors can immerse themselves in the rich history of flight through interactive exhibits and engaging displays that highlight Illinois' contributions to the aerospace industry. You can explore the history of aviation and see vintage aircraft up close. This is a unique opportunity to delve into the world of flight and discover the fascinating stories behind these incredible machines. 7. Explore the Orland Park History Museum. Delve into the captivating narrative of Orland Park's past at the Orland Park History Museum. This cultural gem offers a compelling journey through the town's evolution, from its early settlement to its present-day vibrancy. With carefully curated artifacts, photographs, and immersive storytelling, the museum provides a deep understanding of the community's heritage and the forces that have shaped its identity. You can explore a diverse collection of artifacts, photographs, and documents that chronicle the evolution of Orland Park. It's a must-visit for history enthusiasts and anyone eager to delve into the roots of Orland Park. 8. Play around at George Dunne National. Golf enthusiasts and sports aficionados will find delight at the George Dunne National Golf Course and Museum. This 18-hole championship course is considered one of the finest public courses in the Chicago area. The course is beautifully maintained, with rolling terrain and challenging holes that will test players of all skill levels. The clubhouse offers stunning views of the course. In addition to the course, the museum celebrates the rich legacy of golf in Orland Park, showcasing the evolution of the sport and its profound impact on the local community. From vintage clubs and memorabilia to interactive exhibits on golfing legends, the museum offers a captivating exploration of the sport's enduring allure. 9. Relax at John Humphrey House. Experience the charm of the John Humphrey House, a living testament to Orland Park's early days. This meticulously preserved historic home invites visitors to explore the lifestyle and traditions of the town's early settlers. With period furnishings, captivating narratives, and guided tours, the museum offers a captivating window into Orland Park's rich heritage. You can step back in time and see how the early settlers lived. The house showcases period furnishings and artifacts that reflect the lifestyle of early settlers. With its well-preserved architecture and compelling narratives, the John Humphrey House serves as a living chronicle of Orland Park's bygone era. 10. Dine and drink downtown. Finally, you have to eat like a local. Orland Park offers a diverse and growing culinary scene. The new downtown Orland Park development is set to open in spring 2026, featuring over 140,000 square feet of retail and entertainment space, including the new Weber Grill restaurant. For a special night out, visit Cooper's Hawk Winery and Restaurant, which offers a great selection of wines and delicious American cuisine. If you are craving authentic Italian, try Papa Joe's Italian Restaurant, a local favorite serving the area since 1992. For a fun, casual evening, head to Dave & Buster's for games, food, and drinks. The food here is diverse, the service is friendly, and the flavors are memorable. Come hungry and ready to explore. Orland Park is a vibrant village with a big heart and plenty to offer.